myFICO Credit Repair Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to products were added to the description. In this video, I'm giving you a straight, expert-level breakdown of myFICO and whether it's actually effective for improving your credit. First, understand that myFICO is not a traditional credit repair company. It's the official consumer platform of FICO, the organization behind the most widely used credit scoring model by lenders. That means the data and scores you see here are the same ones banks and lenders often use when making decisions, which gives it a major credibility advantage. The main feature of myFICO is access to your real FICO scores from all three major credit bureaus, along with detailed reports. Unlike many free services that show you VantageScore, myFICO provides multiple versions of your FICO score, including industry-specific scores used for mortgages, auto loans, and credit cards. This is extremely valuable if you're planning to apply for credit because you can see exactly how lenders might evaluate you. For credit repair, myFICO focuses on insight rather than automation. You get detailed breakdowns of what's affecting your score, including payment history, credit utilization, account age, and recent inquiries. The platform also includes simulators that show how certain actions, like paying down debt or opening a new account, could impact your score. This allows you to make informed decisions instead of guessing what might help or hurt your credit. Another important feature is advanced credit monitoring. myFICO provides alerts for changes across all three bureaus, including new accounts, balance changes, and potential fraudulent activity. This helps you respond quickly to errors or identity theft. Some plans also include identity theft protection and restoration services, which can be useful if your data is compromised. However, it's important to be clear, myFICO does not repair your credit for you. There is no done-for-you dispute service included. If you find errors on your report, you'll need to file disputes yourself with the credit bureaus. Also, the service is relatively expensive compared to basic credit monitoring tools, so you're paying for accuracy and depth of information rather than convenience. Overall, myFICO is best for people who want the most accurate view of their credit standing and are willing to take control of the repair process themselves. If you want precise data, powerful insights, and tools that show you exactly how to improve your score, it's one of the most reliable platforms available. But if you're looking for a fully automated credit repair service, this is not it.